The boat that's tied up next to me at the marina, he catches these beautiful shrimp. And these are nice. These just came off the boat. Some of them are even still alive. But we're gonna do a shrimp boil later, but that's not what we're gonna do today for our video. For our video today, we have a few of these. And as you can see, they are still alive and kicking. See that? Doesn't get fresher than that. These are still alive. This little guy is what is called a mantis shrimp. And we are going to cook mantis shrimp. I've always heard that they are very good to eat, but we don't catch a whole lot of them here. So look at his eyes. His eyes are crazy looking. And he has these little claws right here that are sharp on the inside.
You're like hidden.
Yeah, he's pulling really hard, but it's sharp. It holds, that's how they catch fish, and they catch stuff and eat it with that. This is a live mantis shrimp. What we're going to do with these mantis shrimp is we're just going to keep it really simple. We're just going to pretty much steam them really quick, and I just want to see how they taste. I've always heard they were good, and we're going to try them out. Mantis shrimp. These things actually get huge. These are smaller ones, but for our boil, this is going to be very simple. We're just going to take the good old Budweiser. We're going to pour it into a pan. This is our steamer pot. Then this fits inside of that. And now we're going to put a lid on that for a few minutes, let that build up some steam. They're still alive, and we are going to throw them into the steam. Over here, Emma. Sit on there. All right. Old Bay and some Creole seasoning. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw some butter. That's basically, you're just going to take a little bit of butter, put it in a cup, and then put it in a microwave. So if you'll remember from our catfish video that we did the other day, I made cocktail sauce in there. I'm going to show you guys how to make cocktail sauce again. It's very simple. I don't buy store-bought cocktail sauce, but you just mix ketchup and horseradish. That's how you make cocktail sauce. And you can control how spicy the cocktail sauce is by how much horseradish you put in there. So I like it fairly spicy, so I'm gonna make it about a 50-50 mixture. So I'm gonna put a tablespoon of minced horseradish in there. I'm going to put about a similar amount of ketchup in there. I'm going to whip this up. And that is a nice spicy cocktail sauce. Are our cooked mantis shrimp. They have a little bit of a crazy color to them. They're real dark color when you cook them. For the moment of truth, let's see how they taste. I'm going to start with a smaller one. This is his head right here. I'm going to pinch his head off. Anything that has these many little spines and stuff on it has to be good to eat. So they don't evolve. Creatures don't evolve to have spines and little stuff to protect them from being eaten if nothing tries to eat them. A nice little chunk of meat that came out of there. See, little piece of meat there. See how that goes. Put some butter on it. A little cocktail. It tastes really good. There's just not a whole lot to it. It's really, really like picky. Like it takes a whole lot to get just a little out of these things. This is like eating an insect. It's like less like, this is less like eating any kind of fish and more like eating a bug.
Like a scorpion.
Yeah. It tastes very good though. The taste is delicious. Just this amount of armor that is on this thing is a little bit much. It's a lot of work to get to the meat in them, but the meat that's in them is very good. I'm sure there's someone out there who's better at picking these things apart than me, but this little piece right here is almost like a little mini lobster tail. Has like the same flavor and consistency and everything. It's really good. It's really good. It's a lot of work to get it out of there. There's a big piece. It's exactly like lobster. Taste, flavor, consistency, everything. Except for it's a whole lot easier to pick a lobster. I'm gonna sit here and pick the rest of the meat out of the rest of these and eat it. I'm not gonna record it all because it'll take forever. But thanks for watching, guys. My review of the mantis shrimp is they're pretty good to eat. It's kind of an unusual little thing.
It's a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. There's a lot of little sharp pieces on them, and everything on it is sharp and prickly. But the little bit of meat that's in them is really good to eat. It tastes good, but in my opinion, you could probably get a lobster for a little bit easier. But there you have it. Mantis shrimp. Thanks for watching, guys.